there, it's Mia from Travelpreneur Tribe. In this 5-mini video course, I'm going to show you how you can validate your business idea before launching to make sure that you don't spend time, money, and resources launching products and services nobody wants. In the first video, you're going to learn how to understand the problems that your customer is having. We're going to start by doing market analysis and market research to really identify your customers' needs, wants, and desires. I'm going to show you some of the online tools that I personally use to understand the need in the market and identify your target audience so you know exactly to whom you are selling. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to analyze and spy on your competitors. I'm going to share strategies on how to identify your top competitors, analyze their content, SEO, social media, and find ways how to identify areas for improvement so you can start doing it better. In the third video, you're going to learn how to talk to your customers and get feedback. You're going to learn how to create a customer avatar so later down the line you actually have a clear messaging for your ideal client. You're going to learn how to prepare for customer interviews and how to successfully run them and to really understand the depth of the problem that your customer is having. Later, we're going to learn how to analyze all of those issues and find patterns of problems your customers are experiencing. In the fourth video, I'm going to share tools and strategies on how you can sell your offer before it's done. How do you get people to buy something that does not exist? How can you create, launch, and sell your product and service before it's complete? And in the fifth video, we're going to take it to the next step and actually run a pilot. Now that we have a predefined group of test users with whom we will work very closely, we need to make sure that we get their feedback on what has worked, what has not, what areas of improvement they would like to see in the future products, and then finally address those challenges before we are ready to launch it to a larger audience. I hope this information has been helpful for you. If you are ready to get started, click the link above to learn how to go from zero to selling your first product. Thanks.